Hey there, it's New Year's Day. Getting ready to pick some collards for today and probably some kale and whatever else I got out here. I know the kale's going wild. I really need to pick it, but these will be for dinner today. I've already got cornbread in the oven. Having honey lemon glazed caper salmon to go with that. And some field peas, and let's pick some collards, ones that aren't eat up by bugs, because it's been warm out this year for winter time. 70 something degrees today already, and it's still morning. Got us a bag full. Now just remember, these things are going to cook down a lot, so it looks like you got a lot and you really don't. And I didn't take them clean, but we'll freeze whatever's left over these, if there's any leftovers, or we'll eat on them until they're done. Collards right there. There's some stuff I haven't pulled up yet because I got busy doing other stuff. This is broccoli over here. They're getting fairly big. We got some broccoli heads starting to show up in there. A lot of weeds in here. Like I said, I get busy doing other stuff. Looks like that one got blowed over. Stand it back up. Kale, as you can see, I really need to pick this kale. And this row right here, they had it labeled as kale on the packets, but you can tell it ain't kale, that's collards too. But kale's looking really good there. I'll probably pick some of it sometime this week and start freezing it. Or my son likes to take it and put salt and cayenne pepper on them and make bagel chips or kale chips out of them. And they're about perfect for that now. Nice big leaves. As you can see, you got some other stuff down here. That's all collards right there in that row. They were, like I said, those were on the little planting pots that said it was kale, but it was mixed in with these. Somebody messed up somewhere. All right, that's about it. Got little broccoli heads coming in there. It won't be too long. We'll be freezing broccoli. And next thing you know, it'll be time to plow this under and start in spring. So I probably need to start ordering seeds here before too long, because I'm not buying potted stuff anymore from anybody unless it's free. Hey dog. I don't know whose dog this is. Two of them just came walking up. What you doing, buddy? Hey dog. Get down. Photogenic little thing, ain't he? Or she? What you doing, girl? Where do you belong? You don't know? If you don't know, I don't know. Don't be hanging out here now. You need to go on home. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, you're cute. You're knocking stuff over here. Bye-bye. Like I said, I don't know whose dog that is. Just showed up with another dog. The other dog ran off, and she came over to say hi. All right, I think that's it for this one. You guys take care. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And I need to get cooking. My wife had to work last night on New Year's Eve, got called in at the last minute, and son had to work till almost 11 last night, and he got to work again today. But that's neither here nor there. You guys have a happy New Year. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. Appreciate it. Happy New Year.